Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, how are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying good health. Stay home, stay safe. Students, today's topic is LCM and HCF of algebraic expressions. This is mathematics class of grade 9th, and my name is Humble Mohammad, and I am going to teach you mathematics and chapter number 6, which is related to, you know very well, LCM and HCF of algebraic expressions. And it is a very important chapter with respect to examination point of view. As you know very well, in your book, chapter number 4, 5 and 6, these three chapters, they are directly related to algebra. And in chapter number 4 you discussed about algebraic formulas and their implementation, and also about surds and conjugates as well. And in chapter number 5 you discuss about factorization, which is a very important chapter. Factorization of algebraic expressions, five types of factorization are there in chapter number, in exercise number 5.1. And then in 5.2 you also factorized different types of algebraic expressions. So this is very important that you must revise all the formulas which were used in chapter number 4 and chapter number 5 especially. That's why I have given their important algebraic expressions. You can find these in chapter number 4 of your book. And I recommend that before taking benefit of this video, please revise these algebraic identities. I am also explaining them here, and I have also given one example about it. So the first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a very important algebraic expression. Whenever there is sum of two numbers and a whole square is there, you have to open it. You use this formula. The next one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is in the case when there is difference of two numbers, and you have to take whole square. You'll write a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And next, you know very well, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And next one is a minus b whole square, sorry, I have written square, it's cube there. A minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And the next one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And next one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a plus b, last one is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You are well versed with all of these formulas, I know very well, because Sadnan, he revised all these formulas at school, I know very well. So you need to just revise them. And keep in mind, please keep in mind, that without these you can never be good at factorization. And if you are not going to be good at factorization, you can never be good at LCM and HCM, LCM and HCF. So because both of these skills are related to factorization, and factorization depend upon these formulas. And on the right side of this slide, I have given an example, two examples of midterm break. You know, when an algebraic expression is given to you, how you are going to break it into two parts and then doing its factorization. The first example is 24x square minus 65x plus 21. So 21, you will multiply 21 with 24 and you will get a number. And then you will write all the pairs of that number, all the pairs. Multiply 21 with 24 and you will get a number. And then write all the factors of that number. Out of those factors, you will choose 56 and 9. And 56 and 9 both will have minus sign, because 65 is having minus sign. So in this way you will take common 8x from 24x square minus 56x, and you will take 3 common from 9x and 21, and at the end you will get 3x minus 7 into 8x minus 3. Same is the case with the next example. Next example is 5x square minus 16x plus minus 21. You will multiply 21 with 5, you will get 105, and fortunately same are the pairs. So you will write 5x square minus 21x plus 5x minus 21, because 16x has been broken down into two parts, 21 and 5. That's why this skill is called midterm break. And out of these two, 5x square minus 21x, you will take x common, and out of 5x minus 21 you will take only one common, and at the end you will get the answer 5x minus 21 times x plus 1. So in this way, uh, in this slide I have tried my best to revise all the formulas which will be used in finding LCM and HCF, and please revise all of them, and try to be good at chapter number 5 first. Your factorization must be very good, otherwise this will be problematic. Now coming to the next slide is, now I have started the solution of exercise 6.1, which is very important exercise, and in this exercise you will mainly, you are going to consider LCM and HCF of algebraic expressions. There are two methods: LCM by factorization, LCM by division, and the next one is HCF by factorization and HCF by division. So one by one I am going to discuss. Now coming to the first question, find the HCF of the following expressions. The part 1 is 39x power 7 y cube z and 91x power 5 y power 6 and z power 7. You have to find HCF of these two expressions. And part number 2 is 102xy square z, 85x square yz and 187xyz square. So first of all, you will factorize. In part number 1 we have factorized 39x power 7 y cube z. You know very well 39 is 3 into 13, and others can be broken down as x power 5 into x square y cube z. And same is the case with 91 x power 5 y power 6 z power 7. You will factorize 91 7 into 13, and rest of the story you know very well. So what is HCF? HCF will be the common factors of these two factorizations. So 13 is common, x power 5 is common, y cube is common, and z is common. So your answer will be 13x power 5 y cube z. Next, the explanation for next question I'm just leaving it for you. You can see how it had been solved. The next question is question number 2. Find the HCF of the following expressions by factorization. So he has given all the parts from part number 1 to part number 5. In each part he has given 2 or 3 expressions, and by considering them well or by analyzing them well, you have to see that which type of factorization will be used here in order to factorize. I'm going to explain just one part. Rest of the story you can easily see. You can easily note down and you can practice them. Question number 2, part 1 is x square plus 5x plus 6 and x square minus 4x minus 12. So x square plus 5x plus 6, you know, midterm break. So I have broken down 5x into two parts, 2x plus 3x, and you will get x plus 2 into x plus 3. These are the factors of this expression. For x square minus 4x minus 12, you will again use midterm break. Here the pairs are 6 and 2, so you will get x minus 6 and x plus 2. And for the HCF, you will take common factor, which is x plus 2. Out of these two factorizations, only x plus 2 is common, so that's why it's HCF. The explanation to part number 2 I am leaving for you. You can see it easily. In the first part, the formula of cube has been used. In the second part, for the second expression, midterm break has been used, and for the third one, the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that has been used. Okay, now coming to the next two more important questions. This question number 2 part 3rd and question number 2 part 4, these I have explained these skills before in the first two parts of this question number 2, so no need to explain these two here. I am going to explain the next part, which is question number 2 part 5. That is also that has also been explained, because in part number 1 you will find the same skills here. So I am going to mainly focus HCF by division method. As you can see in question number 3, find the HCF of the following by division method. So in division method, you have to keep in mind that two algebraic polynomials or algebraic expressions will be given to you, and first of all you have to see that have they been given in descending order of their powers. If they have been given in their descending order, so after that, after considering that, what will you do? You will take one polynomial outside, and the other one will be the dividend. As you can see in first part of question number 3, he has taken x cube plus 3x square minus 16x plus 12 as dividend, and x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8 as divisor. So you will divide first term with first term, you will get 1, multiply 1 with the divider, and you will get x cube plus x square plus 10x plus 8. And then by changing the sign, you know, in division the signs are changed, you will, after cutting, you will get 2x square minus 6x plus 4. And then taking 2 common and ignoring 2, you will take the divisor to the next level, because now in the remainder the degree has been lessened. So what will you do? You will again divide and you will get 0 at the end. You can see very well, you know how to divide very well. Um in 5.3 or previously, you know very well from uh, grade 7 and grade 6, you know very well what is division. So here division has been done, and please keep these points in mind that by taking common from the remainder, if you are going to take common any number common from from the remainder, there will be no effect on HCF. So the divisor at the end is x square minus 3x plus 2. This is your HCF, because of this reminder, because of this divisor you have got the remainder 0. So that divisor which will give you remainder 0, that will be HCF, which is highest common factor. So I hope that you have understood well. So I recommend that you will um, practice all these questions, and then your points will be clear. If you have any queries, you can ask in the group. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.